Welcome, today I am with OPPO Reno 6 Pro 5G and I'll show you how we can change your always on display theme. So at first we have to go for the settings, find always on display, scroll down all the way down and pick always on display right here. As you can see in this place we can find a couple of the default themes. So if you want to change, for example, for this one, just click and then tap apply and your theme has changed. But also we can add your own picture to the theme. So how we can make it, just tap right here. You can set the custom patterns, portrait. We can pick, for example, this one. We can zoom in like that and then just click to generate. And take a look, click apply, and oh, I just set it up on the wallpaper, never mind. And there it is. So I think that's great and very nice feature that we can find in OPPO. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.